Laundry is no longer just a chore. It's a daily ritual that can shape your routine, save you time, and even protect your favorite clothes. In 2025, the rivalry between LG and Samsung washing machines is more intense than ever, with each brand pushing the boundaries of technology, efficiency, and user convenience. If you're shopping for a new washer, the choice between these two Korean giants can feel overwhelming. Let's break down the key comparison points: cleaning performance, energy efficiency, noise and vibration, special features, capacity, price, durability and reliability, and design and usability to help you make an informed decision. Cleaning performance. When it comes to cleaning performance, both LG and Samsung bring their own innovations to the table, but their approaches differ in meaningful ways. LG washing machines are celebrated for their 6-motion direct drive technology, which uses 6 distinct drum motions: scrubbing, rolling, stepping, tumbling, and more, to mimic the nuanced care of hand washing. This results in exceptional cleaning for a wide variety of fabrics, from delicate silks to heavily soiled workwear. LG's Turbo Wash feature further enhances performance by using powerful water jets and dynamic drum movements, cutting wash times by up to 30 minutes without sacrificing cleaning power. Samsung, meanwhile, has carved out a niche with its Eco Bubble technology. By mixing air, water, and detergent before the cycle begins, Eco Bubble creates a rich foam that penetrates fabrics more efficiently, allowing for effective cleaning even at lower temperatures. This not only saves energy, but also protects clothing from heat damage. Samsung's Quick Drive technology is another standout, using dual drum rotation to reduce cycle times by up to 50% while maintaining thorough cleaning. The Add Wash door is a practical innovation, letting users add forgotten items mid-cycle without interrupting the wash. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top priority for modern households, and both LG and Samsung have invested heavily in this area. LG's direct drive motor eliminates belts and pulleys, reducing friction and energy loss. This design not only boosts efficiency, but also enhances durability. Many LG washers feature eco-hybrid technology, giving users the option to choose between energy-saving and faster drying modes. LG's precise load sensing adjusts water levels automatically, ensuring minimal waste. Samsung matches LG's efficiency with its digital inverter motors, which use advanced magnets for higher efficiency and quieter operation. The EcoBubble system allows for effective washing at cooler temperatures, significantly reducing energy consumption. Samsung's SmartThings app includes an AI energy mode, enabling users to monitor and reduce power usage, with some cycles reducing energy use by up to 70%. AI wash cycles use sensors to optimize water, detergent, and cycle times, ensuring that even full loads are washed with minimal resources. While both brands are top tier in efficiency, LG's direct drive and eco-friendly technologies give it a slight edge for those who want maximum energy conservation without compromising performance. Noise and vibration. Noise and vibration can make or break the laundry experience, especially in smaller homes or apartments. LG excels in this department thanks to its True Balance anti-vibration system and direct drive motor, which together minimize noise and shaking. The result is a remarkably quiet operation, even during high-speed spin cycles. LG also provides guidance for troubleshooting any unusual sounds, emphasizing proper installation and load distribution to keep noise levels low. Samsung counters with its vibration reduction technology, VRT+, which stabilizes the drum and reduces noise. While Samsung washers are generally quiet, some users have reported that they can be slightly noisier than LG models during the spin cycle. Still, both brands offer solutions for minimizing operational noise, ensuring a peaceful laundry environment. Special features. Both LG and Samsung have packed their washing machines with innovative features that cater to modern lifestyles. LG's Turbo Wash and Steam Plus functions deliver faster, deeper cleaning and allergen removal, while the SmartThingQ app allows for remote operation, cycle downloads, and energy monitoring. The AIDD, Artificial Intelligence Direct Drive technology, detects fabric type and load weight, automatically optimizing the wash cycle for the best results. Samsung brings its own suite of smart features, including the Add Wash Door for mid-cycle additions, EcoBubble for cold wash efficiency, and Quick Drive for rapid cycles. The SmartThings app offers remote control and energy tracking, while AI Control personalizes wash cycles based on usage patterns. Samsung's Hygiene Steam Cycle is designed to sanitize clothes and remove allergens, appealing to health-conscious consumers. Capacity. Capacity is a crucial consideration for families and those with heavy laundry needs. LG offers top-load washers ranging from 4.1 to 5.5 kilograms and front-load options from 2.4 to 5.2 kilogram, with flagship models like the 15 kilograms front-loader catering to large households. These machines are designed to handle bulky items like comforters and curtains with ease, making them a practical choice for bigger families. Samsung provides a similar range, with top loaders from 4 to 5.5 kilograms and front loaders from 2.5 to 5.3 kilograms. While Samsung's maximum capacity is marginally higher, the difference is negligible for most users. Both brands ensure that their high-capacity models maintain cleaning performance and energy efficiency, so you can tackle large loads without compromise. Price. Price is often a deciding factor, and here the brands diverge slightly. LG washing machines tend to be priced higher, with advanced models averaging around $60,000 to $85,000 for large-capacity, fully automatic versions. This premium reflects LG's investment in durability, advanced technology, and fabric care features. Samsung, on the other hand, generally offers a more affordable range, with prices for automatic models spanning Rs. 20,000 to Rs. 70,000, depending on features and capacity. Samsung's focus on value for money, combined with its innovative features, makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on performance or style. Durability and reliability. Durability is where LG often earns top marks. The direct drive motor design reduces the number of moving parts, translating to less wear and tear and fewer maintenance issues over time. LG backs this up with robust warranties, typically 2 years on the product and up to 10 years on the motor, demonstrating confidence in long-term reliability. The use of high-quality materials, such as stainless steel drums and sturdy exteriors, further enhances longevity. Samsung is also known for reliability, with a strong focus on quality and stylish design. Its digital inverter motors are built for endurance and come with similar warranty coverage. However, LG's reputation for fewer breakdowns and lower maintenance needs gives it a slight advantage for those who prioritize long-lasting performance. Design and usability. Both brands excel in design, but their philosophies differ. LG emphasizes user-friendly controls, clear digital displays, and robust build quality. The intuitive interface and thoughtful cycle customization make LG washers easy to operate, even for those new to advanced appliances. Features like the Smart ThinQ app and AIDD technology add layers of convenience, allowing users to manage laundry remotely and ensure optimal fabric care with minimal effort. Samsung is renowned for its sleek, modern aesthetics and practical innovations like the Add Wash Door, which adds a layer of convenience rarely seen in competitors. The SmartThings app integrates seamlessly with other smart home devices, and the AI-powered controls personalize the laundry experience based on your habits. Samsung's focus on stylish design and practical usability makes it a favorite among tech-savvy and design-conscious consumers. Conclusion. Choosing between LG and Samsung washing machines in 2025 comes down to your specific needs and preferences. LG stands out for those who prioritize deep cleaning, fabric care, quiet operation, and long-term durability. Its advanced technologies and robust build make it a reliable investment for families with varied laundry requirements. Samsung, meanwhile, is the go-to for consumers seeking energy efficiency, innovative features, user convenience, and stylish design, all at a generally lower price point. Both brands deliver exceptional performance, but your final choice should reflect what matters most for your household. the ultimate in fabric care and durability, or cutting-edge convenience and value. Either way, you'll be bringing home a washing machine that represents the best of modern laundry technology.